Are you stuck reacting to every crisis your teen throws at you? Discover how being proactive can transform your parenting and their future. Parenting a teenager can feel like a roller coaster. You're constantly putting out fires, juggling school issues, peer drama, and emotional ups and downs. But what if I told you there's a better way? Proactive parenting isn't about controlling every outcome. It's about shaping the way your teen grows, thrives, and faces challenges. If you missed out on our first episode where we taught you how to redefine your perception, and in our second episode where we went through how to transform your relationship with principles, and in third episode where we went through the type of habits making your child succeed, and our latest fourth episode where we taught you how to get successful result, while also nurturing their growth, then the videos are linked in the comments below. Before we dive deeper, picture this. Your teen walks through the door after school, visibly upset. A reactive parent might immediately say, "What happened now? You need to stop overreacting." This approach shuts them down, leaving you both frustrated. A proactive parent, however, takes a deep breath and calmly says, "You seem upset. Want to talk about it?" This response opens the door for connection and trust, showing your teen that you're their ally, not their critic. Which parent do you want to be? Next, we go through what proactive and reactive means, and the differences between those two. Being proactive doesn't mean being pushy or aggressive. It means recognizing your responsibility to shape outcomes and make things happen. You're the creator of your family's environment and your teen's foundational values. Proactive parents focus on their circle of influence, the things they can control, like their responses, their energy, and how they guide their teen. Reactive parents, on the other hand, focus on the circle of concern, things they can't control, like their teen's moods, peer pressure, or even the future. So why is this distinction critical? Because parenting from a proactive mindset empowers both you and your teen. Instead of reacting to every challenge, you'll anticipate, prepare, and lead with intention. Reactive versus proactive parenting. Reactive parenting. Example, your teen gets a poor grade on a test. You react by scolding them for not studying and taking their phone away. They withdraw, become defensive, and the cycle of conflict deepens. Proactive parenting. Example, you notice your teen's grades slipping before the test. You sit with them and say, "Let's talk about what's going on and figure out how we can improve this together." They feel supported, and you both create a plan that fosters accountability and learning. And why should you change from reactive parenting to proactive parenting? Parents should shift from reactive to proactive parenting, because proactive parenting builds trust, fosters emotional security, and equips teens with problem-solving skills, while reactive responses often escalate conflicts and create distance. Proactive approaches encourage open communication, reduce stress, and nurture resilience. This shift helps parents guide their teens effectively, empowering them to navigate challenges and thrive in the long term. Now, next up is 3 problems, with solutions and methods, and ending it with a step-by-step guide to help you put this into practice. Problems reactive parents face and proactive solutions. First problem, emotional outbursts from your teen. Reactive parents often meet outbursts with their own frustration, escalating the conflict. One simple solution, pause and reflect. The method, when your teen lashes out, take a deep breath before responding. Say, "I see you're upset. Let's talk when we're both calm." This de-escalates tension and models emotional regulation. Second problem, constantly feeling overwhelmed. Reactive parenting can feel like putting out fire after fire, leaving no room for strategy or growth. One simple solution, plan ahead. The method, set aside time weekly to discuss upcoming challenges with your teen, whether it's exams, social events, or personal goals. This shifts your focus from reacting to preparing. Third problem, Struggling to build trust, teens often feel misunderstood when parents only address problems as they arise. 1. Simple solution. Focus on proactive communication. The method. Initiate regular check-ins with your teen. Ask open-ended questions like, "What's something you're proud of this week?" Or, "Is there anything you need help with?" This builds a foundation of trust and connection. Small step-by-step guide to becoming proactive. Identify your circle of influence. List 3 things you can control in your parenting, such as how you respond to challenges or set boundaries. Create anticipation plans. Predict common issues, like procrastination or screen time overuse, and establish rules in advance. Practice emotional regulation. Before reacting, pause and ask yourself, what response will teach my teen the right lesson? 4. Empower your teen. Encourage them to brainstorm solutions to their challenges, fostering independence and problem-solving skills. Reflect and adjust. At the end of each week, review what worked and what didn't, then make small changes to improve. Being proactive isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional, focusing on what you can influence and letting go of what you can't. Imagine your teen feeling empowered, capable, and understood, all because you made the choice to parent with purpose. If this episode spoke to you, don't stop here. Hit like, subscribe, and follow for more transformative strategies. Drop a comment below on one reactive habit you'd like to change today. And don't miss the next episode, where we'll teach you how to begin with the end in mind to create a thriving, goal-oriented parenting strategy. See you there.